Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can assign the Apple Watch mirroring shortcut to the action button on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, open up Settings. Then in the Settings page, we go down and tap on Action button. Next, in here, swipe across until you find Accessibility. From here, tap on the drop-down list. Now scroll down and then tap on Apple Watch mirroring. Now select share and control your Apple Watch screen from a pair iPhone. So tap on that and then swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now when you want to open the Apple mirroring, you can press on this button here, and this will allow you to switch on or switch off Apple Watch mirroring. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.